World's number one Ayurvedic tea. I have brought this aloe vera, curry leaves, and ginger, and carom seeds, ova, fennel seeds, and turmeric powder, and sugar. See this. World's number one. See this. Okay, I am preparing the tea, and this is world's number one. Now I put the gel. See this gel inside. Okay, now I'll put this carom seed inside. Okay, then curry leaves. I'll put the curry leaves also. Okay, turmeric powder inside. Okay, and I'm putting this. Okay, inside ginger. World's number one. World's number one. Putting the carom seeds. Okay, sugar. Little turmeric. Putting the salt. This is all I have taken, all the ingredients. Aloe vera, I put the aloe vera and everything all. Now I'll boil this. Number one tea. See this. It's the Ayurvedic tea, and you should drink this tea. Okay, good for health. World's now even I have put the salt inside. Okay, world's number one. And the tea is getting boiled. World's number one. World's number one. After that, I'll drink this tea. World's number one tea. Ayurvedic tea. World's number one. And we have prepared this. It's ready. Ayurvedic tea is ready. World's number one Ayurvedic tea. Number one, and you become healthy, wealthy, and wise with tea. World's number one tea, and everyone should drink this tea at home. Okay, it is good for the digestive system. If your digestive system is okay, then everything is okay. All the problems starts from the digestive system. From the digestion, your digestive system should be very, very nice. World's number one. Then you can think well, you can eat well, you can dance well, study well. Everything you can do if your digestive system is okay. And I'll tell you everything about digestive system next time. World's number one Ayurvedic tea. World's number one. And see this world's number one tea I am drinking now. World's number one. World's number one. Wow. World's number one tea. Ayurvedic tea.